Have you ever had a favorite dish or meal that you're used to, or maybe even have daily, go from fantastic to just okay? I had that recently. I love these overnight oats that I've been buying in these little single serving packages. Put it in the microwave, 2 minutes later, it's the most delicious breakfast. And I got used to it. It was a habit. But recently, I haven't been enjoying it as much. Why? They changed the recipe. They started to water down the oatmeal. They just added water instead of making the portion smaller or increasing the price. They decrease the quality. And what does this have to do with sales, Brian? In business-to-business sales, we have the choice to change the recipe for the better each time. In business to consumer, we make one recipe and either take it or leave it. In business to business, we can augment that recipe to make the client happy each time. So instead of doing what everyone else is doing today, writing silly little spam emails that nobody wants to hear from, cold calls with the same old script and objection handling, change your recipe to the client. Be unique. Connect with them. Don't just spam them.